It's like you can see fishes down there. Use 2 fingers. 2. Alright. Ready?
Look at those sea stars.
Whoa, they feel very rough.
Right? And then they'll hug your finger. You gotta put it right in between the spines and actually feel them hugging you.
They hug my finger. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's hugging my finger. Look at that. It's pressing down on my fingers. And then what is this one right here?
A snail. Or a Norris snail. It's the inside of it. That's the fishy part, and then the hard part is the shell.
The hard part is the shell.
And all of that stuff that you guys see is kelp. It's actually what they like to eat.
Wait, well, which one's the snail?
This one's the snail right here. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, you guys. We have sea stars. You guys are welcome to touch.
And we're gonna go look at the sea stars. Cena en alta mar.
Wait, go for education. Question.
Does that mean at the end of the day, since I have
Here,
to
I'm gonna
education,
touch
I
it.
have the abalone open?
Right here, we're also gonna touch. Look at this sea star. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Wow, it's actually, this one's softer.
That one's called a leather star.
The weather star.
Leather.
Oh, leather star.
Sorry.
Oh, no, you're good, thank you. The leather star, it's really soft. Touch this one. This one's really rough. Okay, I'm gonna touch the orange one. Which one's the orange one? This one's rough. Actually, this one's hard. The pink one. Ooh, look at it, it's so leathery.
No, the sea stars? I know they
Wow. Alright. So right here we have Bat Star, which is the orangey one.
So these guys are all bat stars.
Oh, okay.
They come in multiple different colors. It's all just genetics.
So it's their genes. Just like we have genes, so do they.
That's our giant green anemone.
And then these right here,
Those are Kellitzwelk eggs. Snail eggs.
snail eggs. This is how snail eggs look like. They feel very soft. Yeah. And this one's a giant green anemone. I'm gonna touch the metal. Oh, it's so squishy. Let me touch the. Wow, it's very soft.